Hello guys, in this video I will show you the best export settings for your Capcut video, so let's get started right away. So here we are in the Capcut editor. Now if you finished your video and you are about to export, then just click on the export button. Now just put in the title of your video and the location. Now for the resolution, I would always go with 1080p, especially if you record for YouTube videos. You can also go with 2K or 4K even on YouTube, but I would only use it if you really shot with an expensive camera in 4K, because then it's actually worth it to use that. 1080p is just fine because it's the best quality and it takes less of the storage on your PC. Now for the bitrate, I have it set to higher because I have a good PC. But if you have like a medium PC, recommended is also fine, doesn't make really a difference. Then for the codec, I would go with H.264 because you don't really want to save space with this. It is also fine to use this option, but I prefer to use that option, but also it doesn't really make much of a difference. Then for the format, MOV is fine, MP4 sorry is also fine, but overall best quality is MOV, but you are not gonna like see any difference. Now for the frame rate, you can choose 30 FPS or 60 FPS. It doesn't really matter if you edit the whole video, but if you for example have a gaming video recorded at like 30 FPS and you're gonna change it to 60 FPS with the video, that's gonna mess it up. Then I would not switch to something different. So yeah, for this video I'm just gonna stick with 60 FPS frames per second. If you don't know, then you have these options to export the audio. I don't want a like an extra file with MP3, so if you click on the button you get like a separate file, so the video and the audio. I don't want that. I want both files just to be in one file, so I'm just gonna leave it like that, and that's basically it. And then you just want to export the video, and that's it. If you got some value out of this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, also subscribe, and thank you for watching.